What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish. Today I want to start a series called Project Paused, where we stop what we're working on to give detailers motivation and new information in order to fill voids and solve problems that plague the average detailer. This day and age, we're flooded with a lot of motivational videos, but not much of it is geared towards detailers and how to get to the next level. Today, I want to talk about belief system. We believe in the products, we believe in the tools, we believe in the people who are demonstrating it and showing us how to make the system work together, but many detailers do not believe in themselves and the fact that they can actually get out there and do the work. I've dealt with a lot of people, trained a few guys who you can tell that they don't have the belief system that they are able to go back home and do the work that they want to do for a living. Without this key ingredient, you really can't make any moves. You have to know that it's not rocket science when it comes down to doing a basic one-step polish. You have to just step out there, pick up a machine, and advertise your work. If you've never done anything at all, go work on your own vehicle or go buy a panel, go buy a practice panel. But somebody's out there and they need that basic work. You have to know that you've been watching high-level detailers for the last few years, and you know what great looks like and you know what average looks like. But your customer has no idea that this level of detail work even exists. So you'll be surprised at how many people will be blown away by a quick one-step polish. So just get up and go get a machine and start polishing. Show somebody that you are the detailer in the area that can handle those basic jobs. They'll be more than elated. You'll get more clientele with the entry-level pricing, and you'll be able to practice as you go. So just get out there, buy yourself a machine if you don't already have one, and if you're a detailer looking to get into paint correction and polishing, to start offering these polishing packages as upsells to the customers that you already have, and watch how many people jump on board. And this right here will open your mind up to the new possibilities, and you'll learn as you grow. Remember that one attempt is better than 1,000 observations, and you gotta put the machine on the paint. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.